Check this out. Cameron and I are swinging on our very own ski lift chair. So this ski lift chair, I always wanted one of these. And when it came down to getting one, I had reached out to a bunch of ski resorts. I couldn't find one anywhere. Nobody had any. And so I ended up having a buddy of mine, Eric Turner at Maker's Metals, fabricate one for me. So he custom built the whole thing, fabricated it all from scratch, made sure it hung right, and then I took it up to a local powder coater, had it all powder coated. And then what I did is I had all the skis from our family. Our family grew up snow skiing at Dodge Ridge Ski Resort, and we were really into snow sports. So I have skis from the 70s, 80s, and it was really big to engrave your skis back then, I guess, or my dad really got into engraving because he engraved his names into the skis. So this has a set of my mom's skis, a set of my dad's skis, a set of my skis. Actually, it has my very first skis that I skied on. I think I was around 3 or 4. And then it has a set of skis I had like in the early 90s, late 80s. And a set of my sister's skis also. It has some of Kara's K2s. So really cool. Eric fabricated up a bracket for it too. And so the bracket hangs from our deck and we can sit out here at the view, enjoy the view and relax. And it swings back and forth. It'll actually swing side to side also, but mainly just back and forth. So Cameron's got us going right here. Really cool addition here to the family cabin. We love it. It's a great idea. If you've got a spot like this, you could get one. I know our ski resort's selling some now because I built this a couple years ago. And we actually have legs for it too. So we can put legs on it so it's freestanding. I built it not only for myself, but I built it for an event that we had at North Star, Lake Tahoe, for a wedding, and we used it as a chair for a photo booth. So people came and sat down on it, and that's how they captured their photos. So I hope you enjoyed watching. Gave you some inspiration on building your own. It's a really cool thing to have in your yard. In fact, I wouldn't mind even getting one for at home because it's that cool. So thanks for watching. Hit like, hit subscribe, leave us a comment if you got one or if you want one. I know there's some on Etsy and some other places. They charge, I think, like $2,000 or $3,000 for them. I'll tell you, I have about $1,500 into this one. By the time I paid for the fabrication and the powder coating, the skis I cut and mounted all myself. So anyways, thanks again, guys. Hit like, hit subscribe. See ya.